Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install UiPath Studio for RPA productivity automation step by step clearly. To install UiPath Studio for RPA productivity automations, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official UiPath website. Click on the Get Started or Download option on the home page. You will be directed to the Community Edition sign-up page. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Select the type of account you want to create. After completing your registration, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the email instructions to verify your account. Once verified, return to the UiPath website. Locate the download link for UiPath Studio. Click on the link to initiate the download. Wait for the installer file to download completely. Navigate to your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. If prompted by your system, allow the application to make changes. Once the installer opens, read and accept the license agreement. You will be asked to choose an installation type. Select Standard for a complete installation or Studio X for a simplified version. Choose your preferred installation directory or accept the default location. Click Install to start the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installer. UiPath Studio should now appear in your applications list. Open UiPath Studio to begin the initial setup. You may be prompted to log in with your UiPath account credentials. Once logged in, you can start exploring the platform. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and tools available. You are now ready to create your first RPA automation project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.